Hi! Looks like our friends had a bad experience with their drinks here. They got a very hot coffee and a really cold milkshake. So they decided to wait some time before drinking them. But it seems like they waited too long as their drinks became undrinkable. The coffee went too cold and the milkshake went too warm. Both of them are now neither hot nor cold. Also, their hotness or coldness is now the same. I wonder if there is a single word to say how hot or cold things are. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of hotness and coldness. Hot items have more temperature and cold items have less temperature. Higher the temperature, the hotter it is, and lower the temperature, the cooler it is. Earlier, this coffee had more temperature. That's why it was steaming and might burn your tongue. Also, this milkshake had very low temperature, so it was very chilly and can make your head freeze. These drinks were left in the open for some time, and the hot coffee cooled down and the milkshake warmed up. Finally, they reached the same temperature. We can observe such temperature changes everywhere around us. That is, hot things getting cold and cold things getting hot. When we take fruits from the fridge, they are really cold to touch. But after some time, they will return to normal. Similarly, boiled milk will be really hot when taken from the stove. But it will cool down to normal if we keep it for some time. Right? As we just saw, the temperature can be high and low. That is, things get hotter and colder. But can we measure how hot and how cold they are? Or in other words, can we measure their temperature?
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.